In today's video, we are gonna cook grilled milkfish. This dish is typically served on a hot plate of rice or with a glass of cold beer. Now let's get started. All we need to do is prepare our onions, tomatoes, and ginger. Dice up the onion, follow it with the ginger and the tomato, and set aside and prepare the fish. The milkfish that I bought was pre-cleaned, so I didn't have any effort cleaning it. Get your mortar and pestle and grind up some peppercorns. This will be the seasoning for the fish, alongside with the salt. Season your fish with salt and pepper and massage it so the flavors is evenly distributed all over the fish. Pour the filling inside the fish and distribute evenly. Now the next step is rolling it inside the aluminum foil or the banana leaf. Rolling it as tight as possible to ensure even cooking. Cook on top of a charcoal grill for 10 to 15 minutes on each side. Once ready, you can pair it with a plate of hot rice or a glass of cold beer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.